In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to DEX Screener. By following these steps, you'll be able to access your wallet directly from the DEX Screener interface. Start by opening your preferred web browser and entering the DEX Screener website address in the address bar. Once the page loads completely, you will be presented with the DEX Screener interface, which features various cryptocurrency charts and trading tools. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Sign In. Click on this button to proceed. After clicking, a menu will appear presenting you with options for connecting your wallet. After that, click on the option that says Connect Wallet. This action will prompt a list of compatible wallets to appear, allowing you to choose the one you wish to connect. From the list of wallets, select Phantom. You may be redirected to the Phantom wallet interface where you will need to authorize the connection. Ensure you have your Phantom wallet extension installed and active in your browser before this step. Once you select Phantom, a pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect the wallet. Review the details and click on the button that confirms the connection. This is important to ensure that your wallet can interact with DEX Screener securely. After confirming the connection, you should see a notification indicating a successful link between your Phantom wallet and DEX Screener. This confirmation will allow you to start trading or monitoring your assets directly from the DEX Screener platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.